CNC, a new international broadcaster, offers unprecedented coverage of global news from a new perspective. The English language channel, or CNC World, will present breaking news, in-depth analysis of global events, and exclusive coverage of China's top stories. CNC reporters are stationed in more than 120 bureaus across the globe, bringing viewers quality coverage on local issues. With headquarters in Beijing and correspondents in every corner of China, CNC, an affiliate of Xinhua news agency, is best equipped to tell the stories about this rising power. In addition to hard-hitting journalism, CNC will provide diverse coverage of local cultures, sharing previously untold stories. CNC will also provide you with economic news. It covers stories from the grassroots to international level, including unparalleled coverage of China's fast-growing economy and business environment. CNC communication is packaged to fulfill the requirements of English-speaking audiences worldwide. Via satellite, cable and internet channels, CNC programming will be broadcast throughout the Asia-Pacific, Europe, North America and Africa. You can watch CNC World through the satellite channel APSTAR 6 at 134 degrees east. World News delivers the latest world news from CNC reporters stationed across the globe, with scrolling news alerts giving audiences news as it happens.
The UN Security Council adopted a resolution to impose the fourth round of sanctions against Iran over suspected nuclear program.
Global View is an in-depth analysis program exploring the news behind the news. Global Visitor is a travel show where CNC correspondents across the globe take viewers on behind-the-scenes adventures into local cultures, social movements, as well as technological and environmental developments. We speak to ordinary people and report on what hot topics and trends are current in their everyday lives. China Report is a 25-minute studio-produced program dedicated exclusively to China-based events and topics.
Hello and welcome to this edition of China Report.
China View is an English news magazine focusing on China topics. In this 30-minute program, a professional team of reporters and editors from China's state news agency Xinhua brings you a panorama of what happens across the country and in-depth interviews on hotspot issues relating to China that interest people the world around. Click on Today is a 10-minute column that brings you to the scene. Its coverage extends from breaking news to odd news taking place in your own communities. The following 20-minute talk show scrutinizes all aspects of China from Monday to Friday: economy, public policies, science and environment, and the livelihood of ordinary Chinese people. Economy Report will deliver the latest in international business news with an emphasis on review and analysis. It draws its material from key company, industry, macroeconomic and international events. Both professional investors and casual watchers will benefit from the program.
The oil company's next step to try to curl the Gulf of Mexico oil.
So far,
BP has paid out some $375 million in claims. Hundreds of lawsuits have been filed by spill victims.
Lifestyles presents unique coverage on social and cultural events happening all over the world. CNC correspondents report on the latest trends in entertainment, sports, health, technology and education.
Hello, welcome to today's Lifestyles, a look at entertainment, culture and sports from around the world.
Feature is a documentary program with CNC-produced features on global headline stories. Weather Report covers over 400 cities around the globe, providing viewers with updated reports 24 hours a day. We will also provide 2 to 3 minute detailed coverage for major tourist destinations and financial centers to cater to the needs of our global audience.
This is Moscow. The CNC is here.
This is Islamabad, Pakistan.
This is Kabul, Afghanistan.
I'm at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
Along with regular news coverage, CNC will bring our audience the latest breaking news and live reports. On November 20th, 2009, CNC was proud to produce a 24-hour live report on International Children's Day, including an 8-hour live report in English. The broadcast was the first ever global report simultaneously aired live around the world by an international news agency.
Welcome to our 24-hour live broadcast for the Smile of Children, sponsored by UNICEF and Xinhua News Agency.
Beginning on May 1st, CNC also began airing live reports to a global audience from the much-anticipated 2010 Shanghai World Expo.
I'm Shil at the CNC headquarters in Beijing. We're broadcasting live the opening ceremony of the 2010 Shanghai World Expo.
We'll be joined by CNC correspondents at different corners of the expo site throughout the event.
CNC correspondent reporting from the USA Pavilion,
Norway Pavilion,
Malaysia Pavilion,
German Pavilion,
Canada Pavilion,
the Republic of Korea Pavilion,
Russia Pavilion,
Mexico Pavilion,
Thailand Pavilion,
the Indonesia Pavilion, the expo site,
Singapore Pavilion,
the Expo Axis.
CNC correspondent reporting
from the expo site.
CNC correspondents are always at the scene of breaking news and the world's most important events. The town of Yushu in Qinghai Province, China, was hit by a deadly 7.1 magnitude earthquake on April 14th. CNC correspondents were first on the scene.
Here at the Changgu Temple, located at Jiegu Town, Yushu County. It's built at 12th century, standing at altitudes over 3,700 meters. 90% of houses here were destroyed by that devastating earthquake on April 14th.
CNC focuses on every major issue around the world and organizes special reports and interviews.
The longest eclipse of the 21st century has just begun, with part of the moon beginning to cover up the sun. Now we are here on top of a mountain in Zhejiang province.
Welcome to London's Leicester Square, where the rain and the wind is blowing. We're hoping later on that besides the rain, we might have some stars to show you.
If news is happening, CNC is there. An international news network for the 21st century. CNC, a new perspective.